Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class. That is English for Grade 1. We are learning Unit 5. Its title is Apple Pie. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly you may follow this lesson plan or you may edit it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students. Today is oral communication skills lecture. And before this, we have already practiced different type of expressions. So we are going to learn further to articulate, recognize, and use some formulaic expressions to express limited needs. This is our today's SLO. So today we learn how to express our limited needs. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Ghafir, verse 60. Your Lord has proclaimed, call upon me, I will respond to you. Surely those who are too proud to worship me will enter hell fully humbled. Yes, my dear students, what this beautiful verse is telling us. Subhanallah, beta, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is asking us, call upon me. Whenever you need anything, make dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Call Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I need this. Ya Allah, make it easy, like bring it to me. And Allah will definitely make a way that thing will reach to you. So make it your habit, whatever you need, make a dua, because Allah is telling us, call upon me, whatever you need, wherever you are, whatever the situation is, we should make dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is what we are learning from this verse, and how we can express, how we find out what our need is and how do we express it, we are going to learn today. Okay, so at home, who do you say when you need something? Like whom do you say? Whom you call? Like you need something, so whom you ask for it? I need this, kindly give it to me. So pause the video, answer this question to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I know most of you call your mama, mama, give me this, mama, I need this. Does it happen? Yes, I know. So beta, we should know the manner of mentioning our need. How do we do it? For example, if you are drawing something and you want to fill in the colors, what do you need? First, find out what do you need for that? You need colors. How will you mention it? I need colors to color my drawings. And you will tell this, for example, you tell this to your teacher and you will say, please give me colors. This is how we express our need. Okay, so I need colors because I want to complete my task. Please give me colors. Okay, in second situation, maybe you want to read. So I need books to learn. Kindly give me a book. I need books to learn, right? In other situation, maybe I need toys to play. Yes, definitely, children need toys. So I need toys to play. Kindly give me some toys. So this need you can express to your parents. Okay. I need a sharpener to sharpen my pencil, because you were writing, so your pencil was broken. Now you want to make it. What do you need? You need a sharpener. So you should know what is your need and how to express it. Please give me a sharpener. Okay. I need pencils to write. I want to write something. I don't have a pencil. Kindly give me a pencil. I need a pencil. Right? But this is how we find out what do we need, and very nicely we express our needs. Okay? All right. So are you clear with the concept? Let's practice it through an activity. Express your needs in your own words, and you can think of any kind of needs on the basis of what you have read. Okay, the way we just read it, if I want to write, I need a pencil. So think about the situation, and in that situation, what do you need? Okay, every one of you will come in front of class and express your one need. Okay, pause the video, enjoy the activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. I hope all of you have learned to express your need very nicely. Okay, all right. So it's time for your homework. At home, you will express your needs for this winter. Means for this winter, whatever you need, you will tell to your parents and also request them to sign your diary for this activity. Maybe you need new boots or jackets, whatever you think you need for this winter, express it, tell it to your parents, and request them to sign your diary. This is your homework, and here is a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear students, you will find out, like, out of these objects, whatever you need, you will just color your needs. So what we have learned? We learned to articulate, recognize, and use some formulaic expressions to express limited needs. So in this way, we achieved our SLO to articulate, recognize, and use some formulaic expressions to express limited needs. Are we done with it? Yes, so that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.